Hello there everyone, and welcome to the Winter Essentials standalone die release full reveal video. So first up we have the beautiful Jumbo Garden Picks layering die set. So if you loved our Garden Picks layering die set but wanted them in a larger size, now this one is for you. So we have all of these beautiful images. So we have 4 different flowers, a cluster of little baby flowers, and a number of leaves as well. These are all layering. Now the clever thing about this die set is that they all come in little plates, so whichever ones have the same colour which is needed for the layering, they will be all stuck together. Now these are perfectly sized to fit through our mini blossom die cutting machine, so it's going to really speed up your die cutting when working with this die set. Being gorgeous floral images, these will work on all of your handmade projects, whatever you want to make, even home decor as well. Next up we have Watercolor Garden Layering Die Set. Now this is one of my favourites of the release. It is such a gorgeous image and it does remind me a little bit of the Watercolor Wonders stamp set. So you can see that we have some really large flowers in this one, some little buds, and also some 1 layer leaves as well. As the same as the Jumbo Garden Picks, these will all come on plates, so these will not get any bigger than 3 by 6, so they're easily used with your mini blossom, and it means that all of the pieces that need to be the same colour are all on the same plate, so your die cutting is going to be a breeze and not take a lot of time at all. Again, as these are floral images, they will work well on all of your projects, be that cards, journals, scrapbook pages, or even home decor. Next up we have 2 alphabet die sets. Now these will work perfectly with each other, or you can use them by themselves. You don't necessarily need both of the die sets to work these perfectly. So we have the Linear Pathway Solid die set, and we also have the Linear Pathway Outline die set. So like I said, these are going to work really well together. The solid will work first, and then you can pop the outline on top. But that being said, you can definitely use these on their own as well. So if you did want to use these together, they are perfectly sized. So you would cut the solid one out first out of one coloured piece of cardstock, and then the outline one out of another piece of coloured cardstock, and then place these 2 die cuts on top of each other to create a really unique looking die cut letter. So these will work for all different projects to personalise everything from cards to scrapbook pages. Next up we have Modern Fireplace Layering Die Set. So you can see that you have a number of different elements in this die set, and it's going to add all together to create this really lovely looking fireplace. So you can use all different colours of cardstock to create different looks with this one, and you can see the little tiles on here are cut into that piece as well, which is going to give that a really great looking effect. You can even add other elements to this to create more of a Christmas scene, or maybe an Easter scene with some springtime florals. Next up we have the Mantel Decor Winter Die Set. So this one works perfectly with the Modern Fireplace. To dress this up, you can add little candles on there with the little candlesticks, stockings, and a beautiful wreath as well. So you can see that these are layering. You can layer that bow onto that little wreath, you lay the little candle into the candlesticks, and also there's a little top for the stocking to really create a beautiful dimensional effect. Next up we have Happy Holidays Script Die Set. So this is a really large sentiment die that we have here in a beautiful scripted font. So we have the Happy and Holidays. They are separate, so you can definitely use these on their own if you want. You could definitely use Happy and then Holidays on their own for all different projects that you do have in mind. Next up we have Essential Sentiment Strips die set, and in this one we're going to create many different sentiments with a kind of stenciled feel to them. So you're going to have the solid piece and then the stenciled words or sentiment into that little bar that you are going to cut out. A really great one to add to all of your projects, and I'm sure that there is a sentiment in there that will work perfect for all of your handmade cards. Next up we have Lacy Panel Die. Now this is a beautiful, beautiful, delicate die. It's approximately 3.5 by 3.5 inches, so it is going to cut that square shaped with that beautiful like floral lace pattern within that square. So this is great for all different projects to add kind of a background to your beautiful handmade cards and projects. Next up we have a full array of layered gift tags. So this first one is the layered gift tag heart die set. So in here you're going to get 2 dies, both with the same shape and size, but one of them is going to have the message cut out. So with the heart one you're going to have the with love with that little extra heart there. There's also a little hole in the top of these, so you can quickly and easily add a little bit of string or ribbon to add them to your little parcel. So this one is the layered gift tag present set. So as you can see, we've got a really beautiful present in there. Again, you're going to get that twice, once solid and then once with the message. This one does read happy birthday, but if you use the solid one, I'm sure you can use that gift tag for all different occasions. Next up we have the layered gift tag cake die set, and this is a really beautiful silhouette of a cake there. Again, both of the images are the same size, so they do layer perfectly on top of each other, and one of them is going to have the on your special day sentiment within it, which is really quite pretty. After that one we do have the layered tag die set, which is the onesie. Now this is great for all of your baby projects, maybe baby showers, baby gifts, or anything like that. Maybe if you're scrapbooking as well, you could use that one that is solid, or you could also use the one with the welcome little one message inside as well. Last but not least in our layered tag die sets is the layered gift tag graduation die set. So in this one we have the little graduation hat. I say little, this one is quite large. So again, they are both the same size and shape, and then in one of them you are going to get the message that says yay you did it, and then we're also going to have a solid one which layers on top of each other to create a really, really pretty looking tag. Last but by no means least in this release is the precision glue pen. Now this is a 2-in-1, so it can be used as a wet glue and also a tacky glue. So for all of those little die cuts that you're going to have, you can use this one and it's going to work perfectly. So all you're going to need to do to use it is just remove the lid and then add some of the glue onto your cardstock. If you do want a permanent adhesive, you stick that straight on when it's nice and wet, but if you do want it to be nice and tacky, wait till it goes blue and then you have a repositionable glue. So this is our full release. We really do hope that you've spotted something in there that makes you want to create something beautiful and inspires you to create. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and we'll see you again really, really soon. Bye-bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!